Friends, our today topic is regular expression. What are regular expression in MySQL? A regular expression is known as regex. It is a generalized expression that is used to match patterns with a various sequence of characters. A regex can be a combination of different data types such as integers, special characters, string images, etc. Generally, these patterns are used in a string searching algorithm in order to perform find and replace operations on strings or for validating the input. So, what is regular expression? Regular expression is a mechanism which can be used for pattern matching for text, which is a very widely used in text processing. If you want to express those strings from your data, which matches a very complicated condition, so that can be very nicely expressed using regex. Which cannot be expressed using normal string. We can express by using regular expression. If substrings or strings are not enough, then we use regular expression. For example, now we are going to what are the features of regex. So it provides a powerful and flexible pattern matching in MySQL. It helps in implementing powerful search utilities for the database system. It supports a number of meta characters for more complex flexibility and control with when performing pattern matching. In regex, the backlash character is used as an escape character. Regex are not case sensitive, so it's really very powerful when you have a very large database and you have to search only for few pattern. Then it's really very helpful. Or you want to search or you want to extract some information from your database which have a very specific pattern. So these are some regular expressions keyword which are using for some specific operation in writing the query. Star matches 0 or more instance of the preceding string. Plus matches 1 or more instance of the preceding string. Dot match any single character. Question mark matches 0 or 1 instance. This cap mark matches the beginning of the string. Dollar matches the ending of the string. ABC within bracket, square bracket matches any character listed between the square bracket. This cap ABC enclosed with brackets matches any character not listed in the square bracket. AZ. See if not, then we use cap. If we have to specify these characters, then we don't use cap. See. A to Z within square bracket and letter in uppercase between A to Z. A to Z is small matches any letter in lowercase 0 to 9 matches any digit between 0 to 9. So in your large database you have you have lakhs of rows, millions of rows. Then you if you use these type of pattern in your MySQL command, then you will extract the data which is having these type of patterns only. So matches the beginning of the words like this. Matches the ending of the words. We will specify this. Class matches any character class. So I'm continuing on the next page. There are few more patterns. P1, P2, P3 with mode P2 matches any of the specified pattern within curly brackets and matches n instances of the preceding element. Mn matches m through n instances of the preceding element. So these are the specific query, specific element how to write in the query when you want to extract some specific pattern. I will go after some time. First, I'm going to MySQL server, how to write it down. So, see, find the names of all the customers having the substring card. You have to extract the information about the customers in custom dimension table who has CAR in their name anywhere. So suppose I want to find all the customer in those names. There is a substring called car. I could have used string functions, but here I am going to use regex. because it's a more specific way to express the to matches any kind of pattern in strings in any table. So, which is the abbreviation for regular expression regexp anywhere in their name. So, anywhere in car appears, it will display in your output. How do you write that? Then you will notice that there is not equal to or right than or greater than equal to symbol here. So select customer name from table name where customer name regexp car regexp regular expression के लिए. See, if I am going to run this command from cust dimension table, if I am selecting this and I am going to execute this, see, you will have the names of customer dimension table which have anywhere car. Here, here it has starting. You will have multiple names where car substring in their name anywhere in a starting in a ending. So you will notice that equal to right than or greater than symbol we didn't mention anywhere. You have to write regex and then the pattern you are looking for the in quotation mark. This is the way of writing regex. The pattern you want to specify should be there in quotation marks. See, now I'm moving to bit difficult command. I want to print the customer's names whose name are starting with either A or B or C or D and ending with ER. So I have put select customer name from table name where customer name regex within semicolon there is a pattern. So if you want to say something or I want to say something, begin with what I want. You should first say use the correct this one symbol, correct symbol. So begin with correct symbol within bracket. So if you want to specify anything which is where you have to specify starting point. So you have to mention, you have to see in your keyboard from where it is looking at. In my keyboard, it is looking at 6 number. If I am using shift plus 6, then I am getting this. So you have to search at your keyboard depending upon your laptop version. So you have to this hat or cap symbol or correct symbol. It is given by three names: hat symbol, cap symbol, or correct symbol. So then I will say it should be begin with either A, either B, either C, or either D. So then I will put it within the brackets A, B, C, D. C. It is not there in the instruction that A, B, C, D should be anywhere. No. It should be name should be started with A or B or C or D. It should not be anywhere. So if I'm going to start with A or B or C or D, then I will put a square bracket. So this is the particular way of writing. A, B, C, D will match with all the occurrence of the strings which contains A or B or C or D. And what we said, it was not good enough to be A, B, C, D anywhere. It should be the first character. This is the way of writing first character. Now, this particle combination, correct symbol and within a square bracket matches with all the strings A, B, C, D. Will tell you about the initial of the name, from which name it is starting. So how do you specify that? It should be similarly ending with er. Ending with er should also be specified in some particular way. So er and then dollar symbol. So if we want to mention any, we want to extract any data having some particular pattern at the end, we have to specify that and put it dollar symbol there. I had dollar symbol at 4. If I use shift plus 4, I will get this dollar symbol. So this little part is left, dot start between. So I don't. So This means I don't care what else in the between. So specify this by the dot. Any number should be there. I will specify the dot. Star stands for anything. For anything, for zero or more occurrence of the previous thing. So it's nice to say anything. It will matches with any number of character of any letter. So dot stands for anything and star stands for zero or more occurrence of particular previous thing of any letter. So if you see at the regular expression as a whole, it will show you cap symbol with ABCD starting point and it will end with ER. In between it has any symbol, anything, which gives me beautiful rows which matches with the pattern. So if I am going to run this, if I am going to execute this, what I will see? See, any name is ending with ER, any name is starting with A, B or C or D. In between, whatever it has. So we have it's a good query. I hope you understood how to write it. How to write it if the name is starting from some specific character and ending with some specific character. Meanwhile, in between, whatever should be there, it's not considerable. Got it? So I am giving you some homework. Please display those names which begins with P and R. Maybe there should be some name. C, C, another one. SCS should be between somewhere. And third one exercise. And with some particular pattern. You can put it X, Y, Z, and whatever you want. Maybe some data there or maybe no. So you have to do more and more practice for your consideration. For your better understanding, I have taken some more examples here. How to write it down. So if there are some examples with explanation, gives all the names starting with SA. Example Sam, Samar. There is a table student table. So select name from the student table where name writes SA. Because SA is at starting, so we put this cap symbol or character symbol. Matches with the end of string by dollar. Then on. On should be at end. Then select name from table where name regex this. This is ending. Matches 0 or 1 instant of the string. Give all that anywhere. See, if we search com, so we will put it somewhere. Com should be there. So if matches any lower case between A to Z, how we will write out? Write it down. We will write it down like this. Retrieve all the names that contains a letter between B and G. We'll write it down. Between B and G. Followed by any character followed by the letter A. Followed by any character. C. Followed by letter A, B and G. B and G should be the starting point and any character. B and G, any character between B and G and followed by A. So this will be the name. Matches any character not listed between the square bracket. If not listed there, means if there is a no character, no name having these two character G, J, then this will be within bracket. The cap will be within bracket. I hope you understood how to write down regular expressions. So I hope you will do more and more practice at your end. So I am finishing here the regular expression topic of MySQL. Please go and practice with some more questions at your end, which you have in your mind. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.